Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 24th, 2021. Here's a special announcement from our Executive Director, Ms. Turchiero.
Hi everyone, my name is Marie Turchiero and I am the Executive Director of Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School. Today I want to take a minute to introduce you to our new secondary principal, but before I do that, I want to take a minute to thank Jane Murphy for her service to Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Our new principal is Captain Ariel Alejo, and he brings much experience as a principal and happily with our maritime theme as a former member of the Navy and as a boat captain. So without further ado, I introduce you to Captain Alejo. Please join me in welcoming him. Thank you.
Hello parents, I am Captain Alejo and I am delighted to be a part of this wonderful team, Palm Beach Maritime Academy. This is my first day and I had an opportunity today to walk every single classroom, and I'm going to say this, I am honored to be here and to be a part of this great school and this great team, and I look forward to all of us together working as a team to have a fantastic school year. Thank you very much.
Here are some upcoming events. Wednesday, September 9th is kindergarten through second grade and middle school fall picture day. Thursday, September 30th is third through fifth grade and high school picture day. The picture day codes are grades K to 5 is EVTWN6XFZ. And grades 6 to 12 is EVTGVHSMD. Uniforms must be worn in fall pictures. Family STEM night is Wednesday, October 6th from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. This is when the South Florida Science Museum brings lots of hands-on science experiences to our secondary campus for all our K-12 students and their families to enjoy. Admission is free. We sell pizza, soda, and chips as a fundraiser. Come join in the fun. Atlantis Family Skate Night fundraiser is Thursday, October 14th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Admission is $7 cash per person, skating or not. This includes admission and skates. This is a family event. Students may not just be dropped off. Please join the fun. The next day, Friday, October 15th, is a teacher work day. No school for students. October 18th is the last day for payment to be made for the overnight trip to Marine Lab in Key Largo, and the trip is on February 17th. This is an amazing marine science experience for our secondary students. The Scholastic Elementary Book Fair will be October 25th to October 29th. The book fair will be held in person, and we are in need of parent volunteers to help work the book fair. Please send me an email if you're able to volunteer to help. Shifts are from 8:30 a.m. until 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Fifth grade is learning about matter in STEM class. The students are learning to classify matter based upon its physical properties. They are using tools such as balances, graduated cylinders, and thermometers. Our flag football Sharks are having a challenging season so far. It's been a rough start, but we're full of enthusiasm. Shout out to Ryan Duberg and Aiden Casco, who have scored touchdowns for PBMA. Miss Williams' critical thinking students are learning about the Salem witch trials. The class created posters to demonstrate what they have learned. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you are informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.